In our last tutorial, we figured out that we have some web pages built, but the images are not showing up. So what can we do? Well, since they were built with standard HTML editor and not Microsoft Word, we can open it with any standard HTML editing software. The browser SeaMonkey, which is free, has Composer, which is built in. You just go to Window, Composer, and we can open any standard page and edit it. I believe it was this one that was missing some images. So let's open this up. Okay, so we've got to figure out the file name for this image. One way is to hover over it. As you can see, it appears that the file name is web space site space construction /GWI1782. So that's the image that I'm looking for. Let's see if I can find it and reinsert it. I'm going to click on it, click on image, go and choose file. Let's see, it's called website construction GWI. Ah, I see what it is. See that little slash mark in between construction /GWI782? What's going on is that the author had the images in a subfolder called website construction. And since I don't have that same directory structure, that's why it's not working. So we're going to choose the file, and it's called GW782, and I'm guessing that this is the one that was meant, Washington 1782. So we'll select that one. Okay. Now, when you're in here, you can also give alternate text in case there's someone with a screen reader. So we'll say George Washington. Okay. We'll click OK, and there we go. Let's scroll on down. And this time, instead of hovering over it, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the tab below that says HTML source. And let's find it. I'm good at scanning because I'm used to it. Okay, here it is. Wherever you see IMG, okay, that's image style. There's the width, the height, and the SRC is the source. So this is in a folder called website construction, and the file name is CHERNOW space cover. So that's the other way to determine where the website is trying to pull the image from and what the problem is. I'm going to jump back over to the normal editor, and I'm just going to replace it correctly. Cherno cover. Okay, that would be this one. I'm going to say, for the sake of time, I'm just going to copy and paste for our alt text. Alright, and click OK. There we go. And again, I'm going to just hover over it because that's a little faster in this circumstance. Okay, so I can see which one needs to be replaced. Okay, and let's see what else we can find. I think that's it. So our images are back in, and they are now in the same folder as our index file, same directory structure. So let's hit save. And now that we've updated the page, we have to go back to our FTP client, and we're going to have to update it. Another way to do this is just to hit refresh right here. And not only do we have to put the original file up, but I just go ahead and put everything up again. That's just me, because it looks like we were missing some of the images over here anyway. So we're going to grab it, drag it up, copy, yes to all. It should be done in just a minute. Okay, here's the page as it looked a few minutes ago. If we refresh it, there's the images. There we go.